Hi YouTube. I have a very important question for you. Did you know this twisted weed here? This is called pudung. This belief that someone or anyone can touch it, and they they believe in that some farmers made this to protect their garden. Someone touch it, I don't know what happened to them. Maybe they will all go down when they touch it. So I don't know if this is true, but I do believe that this is true because this is our place and we have so many like this. They build this to protect their garden. Stay tuned YouTube for more. Please like and subscribe and share it to your friends. Bye.